Previously on Cramerlincoln. Hello, I made a son. That's the most ugliest son. And now the continuation. Cramerlincoln short skits. Yeah. Created by, you already know, this guy we're pointing at. Yeah. We're just in here alone. I think it's just us. Yeah. I can't believe you made these guys.
We went to Mount Vernon because with the nation marking its 250th birthday, it's hard not to wonder, what would George Washington think about today's United States? Robert Cosgrove was looking for
We're people in Rectangle City.
Is more than just the home of our first president. It's a place of pilgrimage for millions around the world. The most visited historic house in America. We came here to get a sense from visitors where we are as a country. Do you feel it's important to come here as we mark 250, to be a citizen, to remember history? I'm a friend of leader that we don't know
Do you?
founding fathers made. That's how our country falls apart. So being American is so important to me because it gives me like the confidence to know that.
Alright, I'm going to Tops to grab some stuff. Last couple of things that we need.
For you, to be a good citizen.
Your phone is sunk, buddy, but I could see if I can get a little interest.
Whatever it looks like, if somebody needs a helping hand, I think just in the smallest ways or in the biggest ways, just being a leader and standing firm on what you think.
Besides offering tours of the estate, Mount Vernon boasts a new education center filled with historic documents and artifacts, including, of course, George Washington's dentures. Just to set the record straight, they were not made of wood, but rather animal and human teeth. At the time, teeth were commonly purchased and extracted from enslaved people.
This is a critical place for people to understand what America is and where it comes from. It is the home and the father of our country. George Washington's the critical figure that wins our war for independence, but he didn't write his own autobiography. Mount Vernon is the place that's his autobiography. Authentic authors are a big part of bringing us to life with this.
Doug Bradburn is Mount Vernon's president and CEO. An author and historian, Bradburn has a unique take on Washington's relevance.
He would recognize the world, the political world we live in, as a highly polarized one. He had that in his own cabinet. But he would also
Help us. I can't believe.
you have these brilliant people who all believe they're patriots, leading the other side of the country. He would
Let's enter.
just like all of us are.
Things weren't perfect here. President Washington was in many ways
Oh, big people. Let's shrink them. We got more big people. Let's shrink them. Yeah. Let's shrink them. Come on with you. Oh. God, there's so many people here. Oh my God, new people in Rectangle City. Now it's just all of us and you and her and him.
When did you come to the United States?
Oh my god, that's the ugliest female I've ever seen. Let's break.
When I came here at that time,
Let's shatter him. Let's shatter her. Oh my god, no! It's never shattered. It's unshatterable. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Let me eat it all. That was good, and then let's slice up your son.
I think he'd have a lot to say. I hope that he would have some guiding words of wisdom. But
It's bunker.
America's experiment going for 250 years, so hopefully he
Wait. No, not my wife and my son. Yeah, they're kind of annoying, so don't add them again. Yes, I will. Not just us.
And data shows that people taking Zepbound lost up to 48 pounds. Don't share needles or pens or reuse needles. Don't take if allergic to it or if you have someone in your family with MTC or MEN2. Tell your doctor if you get a lump or swelling in your neck. Stop Zepbound and call your doctor if you have severe stomach pain or a serious allergic reaction. Severe side effects may include inflamed pancreas or gallbladder problems. Tell your doctor if you experience vision changes before scheduled procedures with anesthesia. If you're nursing, pregnant, going to be, or taking birth control pills. Taking Zepbound with a sulfonylurea or insulin may cause low blood sugar. Side effects include nausea, diarrhea, and vomiting, which can cause dehydration or worsen kidney problems. Ask your doctor about Zepbound. Zepbound is this.
Oh my god.
Chef Lena is taking the Tide Boostly test.
yeah, I need it.
The
Ooh.
other stuff.
This isn't very safe.
Tests passed.
But whatever.
Brighter and fresher. It's got to be Tide.
Sleeping hot, I've been there.
I love this hole.
Until
Oh,
I tried a cooling mattress
sounds so
for my sleep.
annoying.
Now I stay cool all night and wake up refreshed. Skip the quick fixes. Get real relief. Shop Ashley in-store or online.
Oh my god.
Monopoly, I challenge ye to a duel. Mr. Burns versus Mr. Monopoly. The Simpsons come to Monopoly Go. Perfect. Play the new Simpsons event in Monopoly Go today.
Are you searching for something new? Something durable,
Huh? Hey. Oh, you're so cute. I'm not really cute, so I don't know why we're all here, so...
There is no place we cannot go. There is no goal we cannot reach, and there is nothing that Americans cannot do, and we're proving that right now.
We'll take a look at one thing that is proving difficult to fix: immigration.
Oh, get off of me! I don't know if I should get off of you. So let's just do a back flip. Oh no. Oh, well, just let me in this cave. Wow. More people are coming in. What is wrong?
And sports. Americans are driven by competition and winning. Few things unite us as much as the love of game. We talk about changes in college.
Finally, people got off of me. They,
All this and more. Just to help on Fix the Nation.
now it's just us in here. To be continued. Yeah, that's all I have to say. Yay! I love exploring. Majesty product. This is a production of Majesty. Association with ATV. Oh no! Oh no! This is terrible! Good luck wearing camera, not Algadoo. Yeah! Oh no! This is terrible! Good luck wearing photos and not Algadoo. Yay! Wait, this is the enemy?